The first challenge in our me and Goldberg 1122 are going to be doing a rib eating competition on who can eat the most ribs. And so I'm just starting off the challenge. Goldberg will try to beat me, and then we'll just keep moving up and down from there. So I have here 2 racks of ribs. We're going to start off small, start off easy. No big deal. It's 10 pounds total. So each of the ribs has to be pretty much mostly clean. Obviously, like little bones and that kind of stuff, no big deal. So I smoked my ribs, did a really cool dry rub, mop them every 45 minutes, 5 hours in a smoker. Hopefully it's going to be really good. I also got a little side of barbecue sauce just in case I need it. Got my graveyard bucket. And so I'm just going to dive in and see how much I can do. So let's move this over a little bit, and here we go. Okay, so that was my first half rack. Still okay. It's going to be a little tough. I can definitely get through the second rack, or second half. Might have to start the challenge easy. Might have to go easy and just stop at 1 rack, but let's see how far you can go. Okay, back to eating. This is a lot harder than it should be. Like, I feel a burp wanting to come up. Doesn't want to come. There it was. Whew. Okay. Whew. Oh, I'm starting to sweat. I'll be honest. This is harder than I thought it would be. Usually I can eat ribs and like no problem, and this is just like, this is pretty tough. I don't know. Like, Goldberg's gonna give me shit for this, but like, I'm full. I think I can get through this next half, but God, it's growing. Okay. Like, it's taking up more of my plate. There's more food than when I started. I'm like getting sweats. I haven't eaten. I could go. This is ridiculous. I can go through a rack of ribs, no problem. Like, what's the deal here? Oh, I usually, when I go to barbecue restaurants, I get a brisket sandwich, giant ass brisket sandwich, a giant thing of beans, giant things of that. It's from a potato. French fries. Get a giant thing of French fries, and like a rack and a half of ribs, or just a rack of ribs, and then like chicken, and then a drink. And I like go through there, and I walk away. I'm like, man, I'm still hungry. This is really tough. I don't understand why this is. God, this looks bigger than what I've eaten so far. Okay. I can do this. It's fine. Golly, this is gonna be a short competition if I'm getting stuck at frickin' Iraq. That's a lot of meat. That wasn't even meat, that was just bone. That was also just bone. I had a couple chips earlier. They're Buffalo Blue. Really good. But, okay. I'm really disappointed in myself right now. And I'm gonna get so much crap. But, like I said, this is just the start of the competition, okay? I'm not sure why I'm so full right now. I can easily do more than this, but I'm gonna stop. And because I'm really not happy with how these are cooked, and but I got through a rack. That's a good start point. So one rack is just 5 pounds, not that much meat. That's an easy beat. So Goldberg, this is my challenge to you. You got to eat at least 7.5 pounds to beat me, and then I'm gonna let you set the next bar. So this is on you. Yeah. So for like, follow, subscribe. I don't know what any of those mean because I don't know anything. Next time I'm definitely gonna get like angry and like freak out at these ribs because he's gonna eat like 8 racks and I'm gonna be like vomiting over in the corner and dying and like so that's the start. He has to eat a whole rack and a half and a bite because I eat, or like 4 bites. So rack and a half, 4 bites, and yeah. So make sure to follow, check us out, all that kind of stuff. Please don't make fun of me. I'm really sorry. I don't know why it was so hard. I'm like sweating right now. I had chips. I had a lot of chips. Like 4, but I still had the chips. And I drank like some water and this stupid thing. And like, that can fill you up. So, yeah. I got there to start the challenge off, and this is on you, Gold.